Hi, welcome to Wealth Invest with Matt. Today is Friday, June 6th. We have a show fully packed for you. We will start with the jobs added for the month of May in the U.S. labor. Then we will going to see how the market does, and later on we will be talking about some of the trades we did throughout the day. So let's jump right in. To begin, we always start with the words of the day is unemployment rate. Unemployment rate is the percentage of the total labor force that is actively looking for work but unable to find work during a specific period. So basically, to be considered unemployed, you have to be not working and looking for work and unable to find work. All right, and that brings us to the news of the day. The news of the day is that the U.S. labor add the 139,000 were added this jobs in the month of May. Uh, that is way better than the 1,026,000 that the expert predicted that we're going to add to the month of May. However, it's way better than what they were expecting, and the unemployment rate is still at 4.2%. Um, um, since last month. Last month as well, 177,000 jobs were added in the month of April. However, the unemployment rate was still at 4.2%. So even though 139,000 were added this month for the month of May, however, which is at 4.2%. However, the average hourly wage raised by 0.4% over last month. And if we're looking at year over year, like May this year compared to May last year, the hourly wage has raised by over 3.9%. That is very good news, actually. And all those good news are um, um, all those good news are happening, even though we have the 25 to 50%, the 50% tariff that was added to the aluminum and steel, and the 90 days pause, tariff pause. We still end up with those good news. So the market is on the right track, basically, and and then actually the market rallied today. So that brings us to how the market is doing, how the market does today. So let's go and check out what how the market did today. Actually, all the indexes were up throughout the day, basically, throughout the whole day. All the indexes were up. Let's start with the Dow. The Dow is the average of the 30 most prominent stock in the market. It's one of the oldest, most tracking follow indexes. And then it was up the whole day. It opened at 42,631, and it stayed up the whole day, and it closed at 42,762 points. So that's why for the now let's look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is the top 500 leading stock in the leading companies in the stock exchange, and then the S&P 500 will up as well. It opens at 5987 points, and it was up the whole day, and it closed at 6,000 points. Yes, and then the last indexes we're going to look at is the Nasdaq. It has most of the company that are traded under the Nasdaq stock exchange, basically, and that indexes as well was up the whole day. It opens at 19,526, and it stays up the whole day, and it closes at 19,529 points. All right, so that's it for the how the market does. some of the trades we did today that was really cool. That was really profitable. We're looking at plug. The stock symbol for plug is PLUG. Plug. This company is a plug. Is a company that is specialized in the development of hydrogen fuel and electrolyzer systems. The company developed batteries that will replace conventional batteries in equipment and vehicle powered by electricities. And the way it does that by having hydrogen storage systems, which allows the system to charge in minutes instead of hours, like those conventional batteries that in cars that usually takes hours. So with the hydrogen, it happened quickly in minutes, and the battery fully charged basically. So lately, the stock for the plug hasn't been doing too well. It's been going down. So basically, next month they will be having a proposal, and next month they will be having an investor meeting. And in the investor meeting, there are two proposals that are floating around. One is to double the number of shared issues, so basically to double the number of share issues, or the second one, which is to do a reverse stock split of the stocks basically. So basically, so those are the two things that are going on. So basically, for the trades, we had a trade open already on it at 88 cents, and then we were able to close it today at 93 cents. And then we had and then we created another we opened other trades on it as well. That was at 93 cents, and then we were able to close it at $1 today. So those were very profitable trades we had in regards to plug. And today plug did phenomenal today. It opens at 90 cents. It went down a little bit at 89 cents. That was at the lowest it's ever been. And then it goes as high as $1.01, and it closed back at 97 cents basically. So the next stock that was really good today as well is Palantir. Palantir is a company that specializes in software platform for big data analytics, and most of the projects that they have are mostly with the government and big data firms like Morgan Stanley and MMM and P&G, Procter & Gamble companies basically. Companies that has a lot of big data basically. And then these stocks, Palantir been doing phenomenal this year. It's at the highest point it's ever been. So basically, we had a trade, or we opened a trade that was a few days back at $119.39, and then today we exit that position at $124.80. We exit a bit early because it went as high as $127.72 today. So yeah, the Palantir did phenomenal. For the day, it opened at $123.03, and it went as high as $128.13, and then it closed at $127.72 today. So that's about all the news we have for you today. And if you have any questions and want to share your trades, please leave your comments below. And one disclaimer I'm going to leave you with is I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Always do your own research or consult a professional before making investment decisions. Alright, if you had any values out of this video, like this video, and share this video, subscribe to these channels to get more video like this. And one more time, I want to thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye bye.